Bank of America phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to discuss about the Bank of America's phone number and how we can contact it. So make sure to stick with me till the end. The thing that you should not do is go to Google and search for their phone number, because nowadays there are lots of scam websites or ads that are crawling across the internet that will lead you to a scam call to scam for your money. So what you need to do here is you need to go to bankofamerica.com, which is their official website, and then once you come to the official website, just click on the contact us button from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you click on the contact us option, there will be different sort of options. Now, depending upon for what kind of contact issue that you want, so let's say I want an issue for about my credit card, so I will simply select credit cards option. Now here it says contact us about credit card, and then just click on the go option. But if you scroll down here, you can see it says call us. So credit card customer service including lost or stolen card, this is actually the phone number for that, and this is for the international cell phone number. So depending upon what kind of issue that you have, select that issue and then call them in that number. Do not just go to Google and search for Bank of America phone number. It's actually good that you clicked on the YouTube video, because they have less chances of scam versus the ones that are crawling on the internet. So always visit the official app or the website and look for the customer service section there to find their phone number. That's always the best way that I'd recommend anyone. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.